everyone, my name is Yvonne and I'm a senior designer from WT Plus Interiors. Today, I'm going to bring all of you on a house tour located at Meiling Street. And the theme of the house is a mid-modern century. There is also a very special and unique feature exclusive to a resale HDB flat in this home that is not seen in any other homes. So come on, let's go check it out. So coming into the entrance of the house, on my left is actually a very nicely customized shoe cabinet. And behind used to be a storeroom. However, because there was a requirement to house a helper, so I have actually conveniently concealed the entrance to the new helper's room. So this entrance is actually concealed using fluted panel doors. Over here, this is where there are rattan door designs with oval shapes cut out to enhance the elegance of the overall mid-modern century theme. If you notice, the doors are actually also done up all the way to the ceiling, such that it elongates the entire space. In the middle, this is a niche that is created so that my homeowners can actually put their regularly worn bags or maybe their keys and personal belongings, so it's more convenient for them to grab the items and leave the house. At the bottom, this special wainscoting design doors is accompanied with specially curated doorknobs that enhances the entire overall look of the drawers. And of course, not forgetting the shoe storage with doors at the bottom. And at this corner of the entrance, my homeowner actually bought a very nice lotus leaf-shaped light from Taobao and also accompanied this very nice cabinetry. And if we look down, what is very special about this house is that it is actually cladded with vinyl floor in a herringbone laying method. So herringbone laying methods are not usually seen in houses because there is very high wastage, and also the type of vinyl to be used is actually very limited. I understand that some people may use the normal vinyl floor to lay in a herringbone method, however, it might arise in the popping of the vinyl over time. Beside the shoe cabinet area, we are now at the dining space. So the dining space actually features a very nice twin of lantern lights, and this pair of lights is actually specially curated by my homeowner from Taobao. And this dining table is not what it seems. It is actually also a billiard table. So behind me, this is where the balcony used to be. So we actually knocked this wall down, and over here, it features a very nice curve at the edge. And this is the area where my homeowner usually reads some books and do some of her light work. And on top of that, to enhance the mixture and mid-modern century theme, there are a mixture of rattan chairs and also backless chairs that are utilized in the dining area. Coming to the dry pantry area of the house, there is a very nice little corner over here where we specially curated wainscoting design doors, an open shelf, and bottom storage to house a coffee corner. On top of that, if you pay special attention, there is actually a very nice knob detail on the door as well. Behind me is actually featuring this ultra slim detail, synchronized sliding door. So you have seen this in a couple of our job sites, and it is also integrated over here. And similarly, not only it can be pulled out from one side to the other, all four of them can also come together. Alright? So this enhances the flexibility for the doors to be open, either from the left or from the right. Coming into the kitchen, if you notice, the floor is actually laid with very special tile detail of black and white splashes. And the kitchen cabinets are cladded in a very nice slate green color, featuring door handles and doorknobs. On my right over here is a tall unit that is specially customized to house the built-in oven and also an open niche to put the microwave. Apart from microwave, you can also put other things like snacks or pantry items. And on my left, this is an L-shaped kitchen. So the common dilemma amongst homeowners is that the L-shaped corner is always very difficult to access. So what we have done in this specific kitchen is a bifold door. So this bifold door on top and at the bottom allows full opening of the doors and thus full access to storage items beneath the kitchen cabinets. In between the cooking area and the sink is actually this customized open niche whereby you can put all the commonly used items or spices, etc. when you use during your cooking. And underneath this counter is actually an additional pull-out tray that serves as additional countertop so that when you wash your dishes, you can have additional countertop space, or when you cook, you can also have additional countertop space to utilize. So behind me actually stands a very nicely done up feature wall whereby it features wainscoting design and a very nice central piece of off-white laminate. And not only this acts as a feature wall, it is actually a bifold door. And this bifold door leads to the most interesting part of the house that we are about to see. And what is so special about this bifold door is that it is specially customized by our in-house carpenters and it is 100% soundproof. And right now, we are actually at the heart of the house. And this is a very special, and I dare say one of the one and only homes in Singapore to feature a full Dolby Atmos surround sound system home theater with 5.1.2 sound system setup, featuring big brands like JBL, Arcam, and BenQ. The 5.1.2 configuration also powered by a premium AV receiver by Arcam, the AV-R21, with world-class room correction technology by Direct, a complete optimization solution to ensure and meeting the client's expectations. Not forgetting, this room also houses one of the biggest, massive 110-inch uprising projector screen accompanied with the best and latest laser technology projector that enhances the entire cinematic experience. So right in front of me is a specially customized projector console. So what is so special is that we actually have a top helmet that houses 3 inbuilt frontal speakers, one 10-inch subwoofer that features big brands like Arcam, JBL, and even a projector from BenQ. This completes the overall home theater experience. And not only we have these 3 frontal speakers, we also have 2 overhead speakers and 2 more at the sides. Not only that, my homeowner actually has a lot of players and devices, and I specially designed these pull-out slot indoors with pull-out tray to house his players and devices. And not forgetting, one of the other most important features is the lightings of a space. So in order for a home theater to truly become like a home theater, we need to feature theater-like lightings, featuring central lighting, corner lightings, and cove lights. And together, All three of them, when littered, it actually brightens up the entire cinematic space. Last but not least, how to ensure the soundproofness level in a home theatre is to install double glazed windows. If you can hear, the renovation sound outside is actually quite noisy. But with the moment I close the windows, voila, quiet space. And now, this is the master bedroom of the house. On my right, we can see a full-height design walk-in wardrobe, whereby it features groove lines and recessed handles on the door. And on my left over here, my homeowner actually wanted to install a small rack to hang daily use clothes. So we actually installed this multi-purpose hanger over here. So we can remove and put back all these wooden stilts as and when they like it. And in front, there is actually a specially customized TV console. So what's so special about this TV console is that it looks very slim over here. But in fact, there used to be a recessed wall behind this area. So I made use of that, and in fact, actually the storage over here is very deep. It's not just like what you see over here that is very shallow. And my homeowner, being the very techy, fun and sound guy, actually also has this huge TV over here so that he can actually watch TV while, relaxing and play his games on the bed and things like that. The master bathroom entrance is cladded with a PD door in a special design whereby there are staggering of these lattice designs and is covered with frosted glass. So let's come in and see what's inside. So, the PD door actually features a 180-degree hinge whereby it can actually open fully flushed against the wall. Alright, and over here we have specially customized this mirror with storage at the back, and of course also a vanity cabinet. The shower area is in there, featuring a drop in the floor level so that the water doesn't come out during showering. So this is the second bedroom of the house, and similar to the master bedroom, there is also a built-in wardrobe. However, this built-in wardrobe is not done full height because my homeowner has actually some big boxes that she wants to store up there. And what is so special about this wardrobe is that not only it features the groove lines that we have previously seen, it also has very nice knob handles that are specially chosen from her hometown. So these knob handles are installed to give an elevated look for the wardrobe. So now we are in the third bedroom of the house, and this is actually a boys' room. So on my right, this is a full-height wardrobe that we have customized, featuring the very beautiful groove lines and recessed handles. And over here, this is a built-in headboard that is custom able to fit a queen and a super single bed. And it also features a recessed niche where you can put your phones and put some small tissue packets and essentials before you go to bed. So this is the passageway of the house where it actually features a very important highlight that adds a lot of essence to the mid-modern century theme that we are going for. So in the modern days, bedroom doors are actually laminated and they have a very flat and smooth finish. However, for this house, my design was to use the classic nyatok doors with trimmings and also black door handles. This adds on to the entire feel and atmosphere of the passageway of the house. Following which, this is another very special door where it also features a classic nyatok door design, and This section is actually cut out and filled with a frosted glass infill. So this is actually the entrance to the common bathroom, and why we opted to use frosted glass over here is actually to allow some light to enter the passageway, brightening up the overall atmosphere. So let's take a look at what transformation was done for the common bathroom. So this is the common bathroom space, whereby the original vanity area is actually situated between the wet area and the toilet bowl. So my homeowner actually expressed a concern whereby it is a very narrow and a very tight space. So thinking out of the box, there used to be wall over here. So what I did was I knocked down this wall and I pushed a new vanity area out directly opposite the toilet bowl. So not only this is a vanity area, there's also a mirror-like box that comes with storage, and on the inside there's actually a plug for you to plug in your hairdryer or charge your devices while using the vanity corner. Thank you all for joining me on today's episode. Once again, my name is Yvonne and I'm from WT Plus Interiors. If you like what you have seen, do remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow us on our social media handles to look for more of our works. Thank you all, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye!